Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Bat. Bat means take role of hitting ball. For example, Ruth came to bat in the 5th inning. Ruth came to bat in the 5th inning.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Mina said sweetly, batting her long eyelashes. Now, repeat after me. Mina said sweetly, batting her long eyelashes. The second exemplar. Yesterday, they batted like a team without ambition. Now, repeat after me. Yesterday, they batted like a team without ambition. The third exemplar. I asked breathily, batting my eyelashes at him. Now, repeat after me. I asked breathily, batting my eyelashes at him.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word checkmate in chess comes from the Persian phrase Shah mat, meaning the king is helpless.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.